I just want to like share that with you guys and kind of dive in a little deeper into Halloween and let you guys know like the feeling I get behind it. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So I never really introduced Vlogoween or Vlogtober at all on my channel. I mean, I did like my whole intro video and all the behind the scenes of that, and that was super exciting, but I don't think I ever really sat down and explained why I love Halloween so much. So in this video I want to do that, and I kind of want to do a little show and tell of Halloween things that I have that I love that actually mean something to me. Just little things that I've always had around my room that I keep around my room year round because my room is always fall. Always. I know it kind of sounds silly and it's really strange and weird to like sit here and be like, I love Halloween because, but there's so many reasons why, and I don't want to just give a why, I kind of want to just show you guys. So without any further ado, let's just get into this. So since I was little, I've loved Halloween. I've loved all things strange and unusual, but nothing crazy. Like I didn't actually, yes I did. I was gonna say I didn't hang out in graveyards like Graveyard Girl, but like I actually did. Like I would walk through cemeteries all the time. Like they don't freak me out. There's like a presence to them. You're outside, there's trees, it's windy, it's breezy. You're like, okay, there's a lot of people here. But it's, I don't know, it's just like, I'm not alone, but you feel alone, but it's like, I don't know. Don't know how to explain it. It's very interesting, whatever. This video is just gonna make me look crazy, but I just want to do a show and tell, honestly, of all my favorite Halloween stuff. Let's just start with this. This is a Polaroid of me when I was little. I guess I was like, let's say 9. Every single year I would be Spiderella. Every year, like no matter what. And it kind of didn't really make sense because I hate bugs, I hate spiders, but I don't know, I like Spider-Man, and Spiderella was like, I just always had that costume, and every single year I was like, I want to be Spiderella again. It was like this long black, I showed you, but you can't really see. It's this long black dress, and the sleeves were wide and they had diagonal slits in them, and it was very witchy, but it was also super spidery because I had this foam like shoulder piece, neck piece. You know, if other girls were being witches, I was like, oh, I could be kind of 2 costumes in one. So I loved combining the 2 things, or like anything like that. I mean, I was always something else too. I would have multiple costumes, but this, I'm assuming, was in like 4th grade, maybe 3rd grade. It doesn't say on the Polaroid, but I always have this displayed in my room. I just think it's so cute. It's like a cute look back on, wow, I kind of haven't changed. You know, smiling, all excited with my costume. So these are my bookends. You see right here, show you closer. These are my bookends to my bookshelf. I always have them up. They're little witch shoes, and I always have them up year round, doesn't matter. I got them for Christmas, I think from my uncle. Yes, I'm almost positive from my uncle. And he knows, like, everyone knows, like, oh, Halloween, like, Bianca gotta get her these cool things. I love these so much. They're like hefty, and they're like goldy bronze. So cool as like bookends display anything, and it just always kind of reminds me, like, I don't know, I look at witches and I'm like, they're so powerful, they're so cool. Like, I went to Salem last year, and like the feeling of like, oh my god, this is a real place, oh my god, this stuff actually happens, makes me so overwhelmed in the best way possible. So just thinking about like witches and like their religion, like paganism and stuff like that, like actual things, and like being able to do like out of body things and kind of just like be the caregivers and like the holistic people of that that society is so cool to like sit here and remember that like they were people. Witch, hang the witch, and stuff like that. Like all that stuff really happened. So it's like, I know that's super vague, but everything like that really happened. So it just reminds me like, wow, there's such more power out there. And it's just like, okay, sit back, ground yourself, like maybe you could try to be like that one day. I don't know. So kind of the final thing I want to show you, I mean, I have so many more things, but I think most of them are kind of more costume related, and I want to show you like hands-on things. This is my favorite thing ever. Eventually, when I have money, I want to get a tattoo of it. I've been saying this for years, like years. So it's just a little black Halloween tin, you know, it has bats, witches, cats, stuff like that, and then on the top, sorry, I have stuff in there, is a little witch, a broom, and the jack-o'-lantern. And the witch, for some reason, I do not know why, I'll give you the backstory on this, but for some reason I do not know why the little witch looks like me. And it's so strange. I'll just show you the Polaroid, I guess, for reference. The little witch looks like me when I was little. I know you can't really tell, but it's just the shape of the head, everything, and it's so weird. I got this as a gift. So I got this as a gift from my uncle, but it was my great grandmother's. And I don't know if I met her. I don't think that I did. I think she was gone like before my time. So on the inside, it was so sweet. Like he wrote me a little note, and it says, Bianca, this tin belonged to your great grandmother, Providenza, and I won't say her last name, but I think due to your love of Halloween, she would want you to have it. Enjoy. I don't know why, but it's the most strange thing because every time I look at this little witch, I swear to God, the resemblance of me is so weird because it's not supposed to be like that. It's just like she had this tin. I don't know if she liked Halloween. I don't know if this was just like a little knick-knack she had, but it's just the coolest little tin, and it's like chipping a little, and it's just so cool. Like I get this whole like I always display it on Halloween. I didn't have it out. I had it in my drawer, and I'm so upset because half of October is basically over and I didn't have her out the whole time, and I'm like devastated. I feel like one day I would want to get this tattooed on me. Maybe not the jack-o'-lantern because it might end up being too like, I don't know. But I would do the little girl and the broom. So I just think it's just the coolest thing ever. But I just keep little things in here. Like I have like my evil eye, a cross. Like I have a lot of broken things in here. I don't know. That's just my evil eye bracelet that broke, my cross necklace that broke. I have 13, like, I don't remember where I got this from. 13. This actually, it might have been from my, the 13 might have been from my tassel because I graduated high school in 2013 and it was just 13. So I found it, that it belonged in there for some reason. It just like drove me to go in there. I guess that's it, but I hope you guys enjoyed my little show and tell for Halloween and all of my little knickknacks that I have around my room. I used to have a lot more, but I did clean out my room, and majority of my costumes and stuff are at the top of my closet, and those are going to be videos to come, so I don't want to spoil. I hope again that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next Vlogoween. Bye!